Hello friends, in this lecture we will see uh, one option which is unsafe segment removal. So here we have this part and I have a small pocket in between. So first of all I'm going to see this unsafe segment removal option. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create a tool. So my tool is Anvil. Just close it, and my tool is 10. Okay, so make it a little bit smaller, 810 and 10, and folder add shank is 10 in height, so length overhang 10 plus 10 20, so 16. Okay, and add one more if you want. Okay, and close. Okay, so I have a tool and I'm going to use this for this option. So first of all, create a block, calculate. Okay, and my work plane position is at the center, and I'm going to make this work plane as working, and again calculate. And from here, model area clearance. First I'm just doing a roughing operation. So work plane is okay, block is okay, tool is okay, and I don't require this limit. And here it is offset all, tolerance is 0 3 30 micron. 0.04 is my roughing stock, and step over is 3, no problem. We have 8 da, so we can select 4 as well. And depth of cut, for the training purpose I'm using this 3. Okay, and here in offset, remove cups. What is this cups? So see, remove cups when we are working with the tool. So that time, in between the step over, some material is remain. Okay, so if you want to remove this, just check this option on, so it will remove this cups. Okay, this is the cup side. Okay, and unsafe removal segment, if we are using a tool and if there is a small pocket and we don't want to remove this pocket, so that time we can use this. And how to calculate this value? So tool dia into tdu value plus tool dia. So let's see here, just remove cups, so it will remove. And here in unsafe segment removal, first I'm just calculating it without selecting this remove segment smaller than the threshold, and hide this one, hide this. And from the front, you see the tool is going inside the pocket. Okay, and now I'm going to change it. So my dia is 8. Okay, 8. So 8 into TD unit, tool diameter unit, plus tool dia. So it is approximate double. So near about 16. Okay, and just calculate. If the pocket is bigger than this value, so it will not remove it. So I'm going to change it to, and now calculate. Let's see. Now it is not cutting this pocket. So this pocket is, I think, below the uh, 8 into 2, 16 plus 8, 24. So this pocket is smaller than 24, that's why it is skipping this. Okay, if the pocket is greater than this value, then it will also cut this pocket and close. Okay, and one more thing, just suppress this and highlight it and right click here, and we have one more option to patch this pocket, and you can use that patch as a machining area, as a collision object, like this. So what we have to do, just from the boundary, okay, from the boundary, or change it here. Okay. Oh, okay, from boundary, right click, and here create boundary, user define, and from this composite curve, click here, and my composite curve is this, and accept. So my curve is generated, or we can hide it. We have this curve only. So click and select this curve. Okay, and now from the model, right click and create plane and project it, and see a projected surface is created. Now this pocket is closed, and right click here, and I'm going to make some changes, create a copy. Okay, and for this unsafe segment I am removing this. Now calculate with the same values and hide this, and let's see. Okay, now here in model we have this component thickness. So my component, my part, my component is this. Click over it and select any one of the slot. Okay, here we have some ignore, collision, and like this. So I'm going to select anyone, and here acquire component. So this component will come inside this, and now I want to machine this part, so this will machine. If you want to ignore this, so this face will ignore. If you want to make this surface as a collision, so it will detect the collision with this, or it will automatically skip this part. Okay, so first keep it machining and calculate. Okay, it is machining it. Again click here, and I want to ignore this and apply, accept, again calculate. Now it is ignoring this face and it is working with the bottom face. And if you want to make it as a collision, so again add it, and here click and make it collision, apply and calculate. So it is not going beyond this limit. Okay, if it is on any other piece, that time it will show you and it will skip that portion. Okay, like we have any clamp, so that time we can apply this as a collision. Okay, so that's it for this model area clearance, and most of the option we have covered from the model area clearance. And in next lecture we will see the rest clearance.